What's up YouTube? Sean Forney here. Going to do a quick little video on my first mod. I guess it's technically my second mod because I did get the windows tinted on my Raptor R. So for those that have watched my other videos, you'll understand that my biggest complaint, if you were trying to compare the TRX to the Raptor R, and the one thing that I missed the most from the TRX is getting that wildly obnoxious supercharger whine that you get from the Hellcat. I mean, it's mesmerizing, it's incredible. You really can't explain it, and you just lack that in a Raptor R. So I'm going to put on an air raid filter, and I'm just going to do a little quick step-by-step. It's only probably going to take 5 minutes. I'll do a little bit before rev, after rev, and then a little bit of driving rev. So driving videos with the stock intake, you want to see one. The only time I've ever heard it whine like really, really loud was whenever I was pulling hay up a steep hill, and I posted that video a couple weeks ago. So if you want to watch that, you can hear how it sounds. But other than that, everybody stay tuned and I'll guide you step by step. Again, anybody should be able to do this. It should be very, very simple. So stay tuned. All right, so here is going to be our workspace. You're going to need a 10. You take this, 2, 3, and 4 off to pop the air filter lid off. And here is the part. So apparently, I texted my buddy that has a Raptor R, and, you know, complaining about the supercharger whine or lack thereof. And he said, hey, order this. Don't order the Ford Performance one because it is essentially an air raid filter. They smack a Ford Performance label on this box, same box, and sell it to you for like $50 more. So why would you want to do that? There's the part number for those that want to look at it. Whoops. Get up here. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, here's a rev with the stock intake box. As you can see, you can barely hear it. Now let's see what the difference is. So you'll take those 4 10mm out, and then you'll expose the factory filter. Use a flathead screwdriver to take this out. Here's a side-by-side comparison. I mean, for the most part, they do look the same, but you can tell this is a cheap paper-ish filter. This one's more rigid, lifetime guarantee or warranty, can be cleaned, all that good stuff. All right, got her installed, tightened it up. It's all nice and straight. I'm pretty skeptical this is going to make a difference, so let's see. Wow, you actually can hear it on the road. There's another little pull. So, all in all, I was very skeptical that it was going to make that big of a difference, but it actually does. You don't get quite as intoxicating as a supercharger whine as the TRX, but it's still pretty incredible nonetheless. So, if you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on the Raptor R, the Supra, and then updates on my RX-7, which the engine is right there, almost finished. I'm just waiting to get the chassis back. So everybody stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great evening.